Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Offroad's front bedwall MOLLE panel for Toyota's 2016 to current Tacoma. Step 1. Start by assembling the panel by lining up the left and right bolt holes and securing the bottom 3 holes on each side with the included bolts, washers, and nuts with a 10mm socket and 4mm Allen key. Ensure the top mounting holes in each panel are pointing in the right direction. Finally, install the bed bracket so that the circular opening is closer to the center of the view. Step 2. With a T30 Torx bit, remove the 5 bolts retaining your front bedwall liner. Retain these as they will be used in the next step. Next, with a T55 Torx, remove the 2 bed bolts closest to the bed wall. Step 3. Place the panel up to the bed wall. With the remaining hardware, secure the included standoff brackets to the panel so that the larger hole touches the plate and the bracket pushes towards the wall, as shown. Secure the panel to the bed wall by reinstalling the liner bolts with a T30 Torx. Finally, secure the bed brackets by reinstalling the bed bolts with a T55 Torx bit. And you're done.